Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is DaVinci Jeremy. I'm here in Tulum, Mexico, and I'm in the pot 5x5, staying alive here, man. It's a great time here. Oh, the weather's perfect. The water's nice. You can hear the water in the background. It's a beautiful view. Let's see if I can show you guys the view. Right, it's just gorgeous, and yeah, I like it here. So glad to be here. So. Let's talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum today. Well, we're going to have some also in my news rant as well, right? And I'm going to show you some trades to make on Bitcoin and Ethereum. And if you're going to make those trades, right, you can do so on OKX.DaVinciJ15.com and get $8,000 in trading bonuses. Links are in the description below or the pinned comment. Also, you can trade this at Bybit.DaVinciJ15.com. And if you sign up, you can get a bunch of me tokens, right? Remember, Uniswap, when they dumped a whole bunch of tokens on people, there was a lot of money. People got a lot of money from that. People got $2,000. So who knows? The me token is going to be worth quite a bit once you get them. So make sure you sign up at Bybit.DaVinciJ15.com and get your me tokens or your $4,000 signing bonus. Okay, with that said, let's get on to the trade, right? Wow. Bart, no! Bitcoin was fighting this support level as it broke down and was between two levels, right? You can see the support and resistance levels are clear. And then boom, broke the support, broke another support level and bounced off this support level right here, which is at the 16,911, just like that. Okay, so we bounce up to here, and after a BART, a clear sign that this is not going to do well. It wanted to take off here, and then looked like it wanted to break out with this W, this beautiful W here pattern, and just sometimes the W's just don't work out. Especially when you're in a bearish situation, and there's a reason why these W's are not working out. And I'm going to explain, because there's certain type of people that are making sure your W's don't work out. I'm going to tell you about them in a moment. First off, let's talk about where this thing is going to go and what's it going to do. It looks like, right, if you ask me, right, if we go down to the lower time frames, right, we have sort of like a bearish flag here. You can see we're going up here in this upward motion here. So if we break out from the top, we can go higher. And if we break down, we're probably going to go and retest the support. And if we break the support, then we can see we can go adios muchachos until 16,364. We could end up actually. You know what? Hold on. There's probably a support level before that. Is it right here? Yeah, thought so. Yeah, we have support levels here. Yes, sir, we have support from front and behind. So with that said, we can see another support level being broken, tested actually right there. So that's where we're at right now with Bitcoin. You could wait for the trade, which would probably make sense. Break below, right, this candle body wick right here. These candle bodies at 16,957 would probably indicate that we're going to make it all the way to the support level. All right, now why are we having trouble going up? Why can't we just buzz through like Bitcoin normally does? Just keeps going and going and going, like the Energizer bunny rabbit keeps going and going and going. Well, you see, on all these support levels, this is a people who are going, you know what, screw this, I'm done with Bitcoin, I'm done. And these people, right, you know what, they're like mostly guys. They've been sleeping on the couch because they told their wives that they bought Bitcoin at 60,000 or 70,000, or close to 70,000 actually. And they've been sleeping on the couch, and they've held it for so long. And they just want out. They want out. Or even if they bought it at 20,000, they feel like, oh, it's the biggest mistake they've ever made. They just want to forget about it, just go back to sleep. Well, those are the people who are selling here. And so there's a lot of pressure whenever Bitcoin starts to move up of people selling into that upwards move. So when we get up to 18.1, this is going to be a rough move because a lot of people are going to be selling. A lot of people are going to feel this is a key selling point and feel that, oh, thank God it got back up here. Oh my God, I'm just going to take a $2,000 loss because I bought it at 20K. Fuck, screw it. Those are the people who are selling. So it's going to be a tough job for Bitcoin to run. All right. Once again, if you want to trade this, you can trade it at okx.davincij15.com. You can get an $8,000 trading bonus. Links in the description below. Right? Only with my link, no one else's link will get you the $8,000 trading bonus. And if you don't want to trade, you can do this bot, right? You can head over to mmc.davincij15.com and use this bot so it will trade for you. Yes, very easy. This bot is pretty nifty and does a pretty good job, just as long as you don't take a high risk. It will relatively calm sealing waters as it trades for you. Okay, with that said, let's move on to Ethereum. Ethereum, pretty much identical, but we've got a little bit more of information here. This is a bigger M. There's a clear M pattern here, right? That's going on, and you can see that this is basically an M now, but the target's already reached on that one. How do I know the target's already reached? Well, it's really easy to tell the target. So the W is right here. Even though there's like a clear W that failed, right? But it's really effectively now an M. And let me just show you where the target is. Right? The target would have been, I guess, from here to here. And so if you take this down all the way down, you can see we've already hit the target for that M. Now, is there more room for a downward spiral? Yes, we have a support at $1,222 or $1,222. That's the clearest support, and so most likely we're going to break down and head to the 1222 before we head higher. All right, let's head over to the news. Right? Coinbase takes a swipe at Tether, tells customers to switch to USDC stablecoin. Now, I don't know which stablecoin is the best. Tether's been around for longer. You don't know how much cash the USDC has in its holdings. You know that you have in USDT. Some people suggest that they're better regulated and they're clear. But you know how regulation works, right? Regulation is not about protecting the consumers, is about protecting the businesses, right? So they can cheat you and no one else can. So, and if you don't believe that, just remember Bernie Madoff was running a regulated business in the United States. Okay? So don't tell me that regulated businesses are protected. There's more examples than Bernie Madoff, right? That were smaller, right? That were also regulated. So don't even give me that noise about regulation, okay? Doesn't help you at all. It actually hurts you because it's obvious, right? That even though Coinbase is a regulated money transmitter, they don't have no freaking Bitcoin. They don't have your coins, period. They don't have it. How do you know? Well, they just have to provide the addresses with the coins and sign a message saying, yeah, that's my coins. Not very difficult, not hard, and they haven't done an audit. So I wouldn't trust Coinbase at all. And I would stick with USDT because it seems like it's been anointed by the banking system. Now, I get it. USDT does depeg from time to time, and it's depegged so many times in the past, it's not funny. So a lot of confidence is lost. But, it's always regained the peg and it's back to normal. So just have to wait. Okay, Britain finalizing plans for regulation of the crypto industry. And remember what I said. Regulation prevents consumers from actually doing things, right? Taking advantage of the financial industry, right? For example, in the United States, the companies are regulated, right? When they raise finances, regulated to the point where only the rich can actually invest in businesses, not you. Britain's Treasury is finalizing plans for a package to regulate the crypto industry, including limits on foreign companies selling into the country and restrictions on advertising. The financial reports on Monday. Okay, see, there it is. They are like nasty. They are not going to allow the average person to buy crypto in the UK. That's what this says, or know about crypto in the UK. So good luck, right? This sounds like when the UK, banned cars, right, by having the flagman. So there you go. There it is. Early car man in front with a flag, right? In order to drive a car, you had to have a flagman in front in order so they could regulate it out of existence. To say that the machine was coming. That's what they do. That's what governments do. They love to prevent you from having technology. Right? So you don't want regulation. You do not want regulation, people. Whenever somebody says that, you tell them, no, I don't want regulation. Why not? It helps protect consumers. No, it doesn't. No. But whether it comes or not, it doesn't matter, because you can see that we still have cars. All right. I thought crypto exchanges were safe. The lessons in FTX collapse. Okay, anybody... I mean, I know so many people. I even met somebody today that said they have money in exchanges. They just don't get it. They don't get it. Whether the exchange has an angel running it or not, it doesn't matter. You should not leave it there. Why is that? Because they're a honeypot that can be hacked. All the coins can be stolen. And then you're screwed. That's that. That's all there is to it. And then, let's just say those people do change. The people who are in charge change to somebody bad. Then you're screwed. Now, isn't that the truth? That's more likely, right? They could, the government could, get rid of those people and replace them, so they can have somebody that destroys the company. That's a possibility as well. Happens a lot more than you think. So, get your money out of the exchanges. Learn how to manage it yourself. Get yourself a hot wallet. It's not a big deal. All right. Surprise! 100 billion 2023 Bitcoin price prediction sends shockwaves through crypto market. Ooh, yeah, okay. We covered this already before, right? We covered this, right? Because they're saying, right, that it could go, Standard Chartered said it can go to 5,000. Okay, yeah. You're recycling this nonsense to scare people. And this is a bottom indicator. So slowly just accumulate your Bitcoin, ignore the noise, ignore the FUD. All right, you just go, okay, thanks, I'll buy. Okay. Oh, yeah? Bitcoin died? Oh, okay, cool. I'll buy some more. What? Bitcoin's actually dead now? Oh, okay, I'll buy some more. All right, anyways. Dogecoin plummets 9% as crypto market flash red. Ooh, okay, so what's going on in crypto markets? Let's see here. Let's see the bubbles. Let's see the, oh yeah, look at that. We're rising with a nice W here, right? Which could take this all the way to 42% very easily, very quickly in the market, which is normal actually for this time. I thought for some reason that we were running higher. But, I mean, the altcoins were running higher. But no, I mean, come on. It's not the season, because this is tax loss selling season. So time to take advantage of the drop. I mean, any pumps, I think people took advantage of. And they sold their cryptos, right? Because, hey, you know what? I want to minimize my tax losses and use that whatever losses we've got to recuperate on my gains. Because this is the time to do it. This is the season to do it, especially in the United States. All right, well, that's it for today. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. I know I did. I know I always do. And that's why I'm going to be back again tomorrow to do this once again. All right, take it easy. Peace.